Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best ergonomic keyboard on the market. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. The Logitech Ergo K860 is the best overall pick. This full-sized model has exceptional ergonomics with a fixed wrist set and 2 incline settings that produce negative angles. It has a curved design with 2 different key sections, and it feels relatively well built overall. You can use it wired or wirelessly and connect it with up to 3 other devices simultaneously. It has been masterminded to enhance your typing posture, present more wrist support, lessen strain, and even decrease the muscle activity of your upper trapezius. To accomplish this, the Ergo highlights an atypical shape and design to achieve proper alignment and relaxation of your hands, wrists, forearms, and shoulders. The K860 is made with a convex curve in the center of the keyboard, right where the keys themselves are split and angled away from each other. Logitech also presents an adaptable 3-layer wrist rest that puts your forearms just over the keyboard to help decrease wrist bending. The Ergo K860 is both Windows and Mac compatible, connecting to your computer of choice, employing Bluetooth 5.0 LE technology through an included USB Type-A Bluetooth receiver. Sadly, it's rather large, especially considering that the wrist rest is non-detachable, so it might take up a lot of space on your desk. Next is our pick for best gaming, and that goes to the Kinesis Gaming. If you're a professional or hobbyist, gaming can take a toll on your hands and wrists. The Kinesis Freestyle Edge keyboard is here to keep you comfy during all but the most intensive gaming sessions. This keyboard has 2 separate pieces that can be arranged in various configurations to seem more natural. The left segment of the keyboard can be employed on its own as a gamepad to make room for a bigger mouse space, microphone, or other equipment you may require. Both halves of the keyboard can be placed up to 20 inches apart for more convenient typing and to make place for extra peripherals. The keyboard highlights Cherry MX Blue switches for a clicky, tactile response and endurance. Each of the 95 keys can be custom backlit with over 16.8 million color combinations and 10 different effects. They can also be remapped on the fly with Kinesis' Smart Set app, and up to 9 separate user profiles can be saved in the keyboard's onboard 4 MB memory. This keyboard highlights plug-and-play functionality for Windows, Mac, and Linux-based systems, so you don't have to bother downloading extra drivers or software. Up next is our pick for best wireless, and that goes to the Microsoft 3RA-00022. Created especially for Microsoft's Surface line of workstations, this ergonomic keyboard is designed with convenience in mind and is an exceptional choice for finding a natural arc. Powered by Bluetooth 4.0, 4.1, and 3 AAA batteries with a 12-month lifespan, the Surface keyboard is wirelessly cooperative up to 32 feet away from your device. When you're in front of the computer, you'll find that the double-cushioned palm rest, which is composed of a mix of polyester and polyurethane, is both solid and stain-resistant. It has a double-cushioned palm rest created with Alcantara for a pleasant typing experience. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, this keyboard can last up to a whole year depending on usage. Pair it with your system wirelessly using Bluetooth 4.0. Beyond its endurance, the Surface keyboard shines at preserving your hands and wrists through its keycap geometry, split spacebar, and a more simple design that operates to prevent wrist and hand strain. The expert build quality provides for a smooth typing experience that's whisper quiet with superior stability for use on nearly any surface. Premium convenience at a valuable price. The Fellows Microband Split Design keyboard gives more natural comfort without breaking the bank. Part of the Microband family of products, the antimicrobial protection will assist in keeping your keyboard clean while still providing a more natural hand and arm position. It highlights 7 hotkeys for multimedia playback. These keys are positioned along the top of the keyboard and give such functionality as mute, volume down, volume up, sleep, search, email, and one-touch internet access. We were frustrated that it didn't include hotkeys for pausing, skipping forward, or skipping backward in multimedia. It connects to a PC through a USB cord. We couldn't help but acknowledge the simplicity of this design choice, particularly as more and more companies are looking for ways to cut cords. Cutting down on cables is exceptional when it makes sense, but the corded connection here provides for a dependable product since you never have to bother about a low battery, and also indicates that the keyboard is more reliable for more agile typists. Designed with Windows machines in mind, the Fellows incorporates 7 dedicated media playback keys, as well as one-touch web browser access. The dedicated number pad decreases the requirement for external hardware and having to look for the numerical numbers at the top of the keyboard. While there's unquestionably an adjustment period to any ergonomic keyboard, the immediate advantage of reduced pain and stress, combined with Fellows' outstanding wrist support, will quickly have you questioning why you didn't switch to an ergonomic keyboard sooner. Last on our list is our pick for best portable, and that goes to the Moco Universal. Considering how compact and sleek it is, the Moco keyboard size alone would likely qualify it as the most portable on this list, but when you factor in that this ergonomic keyboard is foldable, things look even better. Weighing only 6.2 ounces and sporting dimensions of 6.2 inches by 4 inches, the tech accessory seems more like a Kindle than a full-sized keyboard when stowed in your bag. It connects through Bluetooth and is laid out in 2 key parts to support the standard 2-hand ergonomic feel. It highlights a unique 165-degree U-shaped fold that's created to encourage healthy typing habits. It does this by building a natural, neutral typing position to reduce pressure on hands and wrists that can lead to repetitive stress injuries over time. It uses Bluetooth 3.0 technology to quickly pair with cooperative devices and stay connected within a 30-foot range. Cooperative devices include iPhones, iPads, Android phones, tablets, and Bluetooth-capable desktops. For desktops that don't already have Bluetooth functionality built in, it might be worthwhile to pick up a Bluetooth dongle that retails for about $10 online or in stores. Its U-shaped ergonomic design is convenient, and with a battery life of up to 40 hours of constant use or 30 days of standby time, make it an excellent choice for commuters or regular travelers.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.